Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to update or adjust the units on your Garmin Instinct Crossover watch. Now I'm going to be using the solar in today's video. It shouldn't matter whether you've got the solar or non-solar. This video should work the same for everybody. I'll also say this is one of those things that I recommend doing right when you get the watch, because this is going to determine a lot of the functionality on the watch for you. What we're talking about is your units of measurement. So things like when I look at my altitude value, when I look at my distance traveled value, when I look at my barometer value, what are the units that it's being displayed in? I'm going to show you how to do it on the watch. As with most things on this watch, you can also change this on your Garmin Connect app on your cell phone and then simply sync the changes over to the watch. That's always going to be easier than doing it on the watch, but I think it's good to know how to do it in both places. So let's go ahead and start by pressing the menu button on the left-hand side. Now, you could go into these things in different ways. In this video, we're just going straight to the unit setting, and I'm going to show you how to change them. Now that we're in our settings, we can use either the up or down button. I'm going to press the up button because it makes more sense. We need to get to system, which is at the bottom of our settings menu, so pressing up will take you directly to the bottom. Once you're at system, you're going to press the GPS button. It's the top right button on the watch. We're going to go into the system settings, and then again you're going to use either up or down, and we're going to go all the way down until we get to format. Once we're at format, you're going to press the GPS button, and the very first option you should see there is units. We are going to press GPS, so your line should be at units. This is where you can adjust all the different units on the watch. So for example, the first one is distance. Do you want your distance in miles or kilometers? Set it to whichever value you want by landing on it and pressing the GPS button. Your pace and your speed, how do you want that displayed? Again, kilometers or miles. Your elevation, you can choose feet or meters. Your weight, do you want pounds or kilograms? Your height, do you want feet or centimeters? The temperature, Fahrenheit or Celsius? Your barometric pressure, there's a few different options here. You've got hectopascals, millibars, millimeters of mercury or inches of mercury. Your vertical speed, feet per hour, meters per minute, meters per second, or meters per hour. Those are going to be your various unit settings. Once you've got it set the way you want, you can simply press the back button a few times, get back to your main watch face. And we have successfully adjusted our units using the watch. Now let me show you how to do it on the Garmin Connect app on your cell phone. So I've got my cell phone here. Let me turn off my backlight. I'm in my Garmin Connect app. I'm going to click on the Instinct Crossover. We're basically going to go to the exact same navigation we just did on the watch. We're going to swipe down to the bottom, and we are looking for System. We're going to press System. And then under System, again, we are looking for Format. And then under Format, we're going to be looking for Units, and we will see the exact same thing we just saw when we were on the watch. So I could go through any one of these and adjust them. For example, I'll just click on elevation, and again, I can choose feet or meters. Change it to whatever you want to. Simply sync the watch, and your settings will be changed on the watch, and you can do it all from your cell phone. Pretty simple stuff. That's how you adjust the units on your Garmin Instinct Crossover watch. I hope the video helps.